always been told to love myself. I try, but I can never understand. It's hard.
Okay, so let's get started. For this recipe, you're going to need 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, organic stevia, vanilla, 4 eggs separated, a brulee torch, but if you don't have one, you can just use your broiler or your griller, and of course maybe 6 ramekins that we're going to put into a Pyrex bowl and then fill it with water. So first of all, I'm going to separate the egg yolk. So now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of the vanilla and I'm going to whisk the eggs. So I finished beating up the eggs, and in the saucepan I have placed the 2 cups of the whipping cream, and I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of the stevia, and I'm going to put that onto the stove. So on medium heat I've now put the whipping cream and the tablespoon of the stevia, and I'm just going to heat that or until it starts to simmer. Now it's started to simmer, I'm going to take it off the heat. Now I'm going to add the cream, but I'm going to do it in streams so that I don't curdle the egg. So you've got to be very gentle and slow with this process. And now I'm gently going to pour water in the side, halfway up the ramekins. So now they go into the oven for 30 minutes at 165 Celsius or 325 Fahrenheit. So the creme brulees have come out of the oven. I've let them sit for about 15 minutes. And now with the last tablespoon of your stevia, I'm just going to sprinkle on the top. Now, like I said, if you don't have a culinary torch, you can just put them under the griller for about, say, 5 minutes. Homemade keto brulee. So I've done the actual caramelizing of the sugar, so let's now test for the crack test. Crunchy, crackly, caramelized, a beautiful alternative to a French classic. So on that note, everybody, I hope you enjoyed watching me make this French classic. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up and click the notification bell for all the upcoming videos. Once again, I'm going to finish my creme brulee and I'll check you in my next video. Bye for now.